Struggling with your flame carbide bits? Let me show you a secret to using them like a pro. Hey everyone, I'm Erica, owner of Erica's ATA, and today we're diving into everything you need to know about flame carbide Efile bits. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these bits like a longtime nail tech pro, avoiding common mistakes and even learning how to clean and maintain them for maximum longevity. Stick around for the end for a special discount code at the end of this video.
What are flame carbide Efile bits? A flame carbide Efile bit is designed for detail work. Its shape allows you to get into those tight spaces. This offers you, the nail tech, more control in the area in which you're working and more visibility. It's one of the most versatile tools. Each flame has a point, a body, and a cheek. I'll break down why this is important later on in the video.
At Erica's, we offer the flame and the Piranha carbide. The more you work with the flame, the faster you will become. Remember, practice makes better. You got this. Hey nail techs, level up your manicures with professional nail bits and implements from Erica's ATA. We have everything you need from tools to gels. Check out the links below.
Cheap versus quality carbide Efile bits. How to spot the difference? Well, the first thing you're gonna see is when you put your carbide in your Efile and turn up that speed, and if it's vibrating and wobbly, you absolutely want to get rid of that carbide. You might look at the shaft and say, hey, it looks straight, but it's not aligning with your machine. Am I still getting that really quick, rapid removal? Or are we noticing, ooh, there's more heat, my hand's cramping up because I'm relying on pressure to do the debulking? Diamond versus carbide Efile bits. Seeing the difference. Understanding the key differences between diamond and carbide bits helps nail technicians choose the right tool for the job, especially when efficiency, safety, and quality of work are a top priority. Use diamond bits for precision detail around live skin and the nail plate. Diamond is ideal for dry manicuring, cuticle exfoliation, and natural nail prep. Due to its diamond rock candy-like surface, the diamond particles actually scratch and exfoliate away dry skin. Safe on the nail plate and around skin when properly used. Now, carbide bits are used for speed and power. Carbide excels in shaping, thinning, and debulking hard gel, acrylic, dip, and other soft gel tips. Its cutting edge, aka its teeth, are little blades made of carbide, a material 20 times stronger than stainless steel or diamond, making it an excellent material for product removal. How to use a flame carbide Efile bit. Let's break down the anatomy shape of a flame. The point, it's the narrow tip. It allows you to safely reach into those tight spaces like the sidewalls and near the sulcus area. The body is slightly tapered outward, also referred to as the belly of the bit, allowing for efficient, controlled product removal and free edge shaping. The cheek, the area that comes after the point and right before the body, is perfect for gently blending out the product, tapping out lifted product, and smoothing any excess product on the nail. The flame bit has softer carbide teeth designed for gel removal or blending out product. The Piranha bit is similar in shape, but it's way more aggressive, used for removing acrylic, dip, and even 3D artwork. You're gonna wanna use gentle and consistent pressure as you glide over the product you wanna remove and shape at about 25,000 RPMs in the forward direction. If you are a lefty, you need to purchase a lefty carbide. If you just have a carbide and put it in reverse, it will not properly cut. Blades are only meant to cut in one direction. Flame carbide Efile bit hacks. Pro tips for nail techs. While you're debulking, be sure to also use your flame carbide to reduce the free edge length. You can take down the length or also roughen your new shape at a 45-degree angle. Common mistakes with flame carbide Efile bits. Bearing down too hard on the nail plate. Let the carbide do the work. If you feel like it's grabby, then turn up your RPMs. And if you've had your bit for a while, it might be time to replace it. Always adjust your angle and your pressure depending on which part of the nail that you're working. But be sure that point is never digging directly down into the nail plate. This can cause rings of fire. Again, always run at least 20 to 25,000 RPMs or greater depending on your e-file. Too slow or too high of speed can cause discomfort for your client.
The most important part of this video is how to clean and care for your Erica's ATA e-file bits. After each use, scrub the bits with warm soapy water. After you've removed all of the dead skin cells and oil from the bit, whether you did that manually or with an ultrasonic, follow up by disinfecting the bits using the recommended disinfection mixing ratio. FYI, do not soak the bits for a longer period in your disinfectant, as it will cause rust and shorten the lifespan of your tools. Okay, I see you. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. We've covered everything from the different types of shape Carbide e-file bits to proper use and care. Check out the description below for the link to each one of the e-file bits in this video. And because you've made it this far, use discount code Carbide10 for the next 2 weeks at ericasata.com for 10% off these Carbide e-file bits. Now here's a video I think you'll like, and here's another video YouTube thinks you'll like. Either way, you're gonna learn something new.